Good morning, folks. This is Chi Baker from Street Tactical Integrations, offering internal and external martial arts for healing and self-protection, as well as mental health counseling and addiction counseling for those who are struggling. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about masks. I know that some people think you should wear a mask only if you're sick. Some people believe you should wear a mask at all times. That's up to you. That's a kind of a different subject matter. Different topic. So here is one mask. I've had this for a couple of years. I bought this for construction purposes. These masks are hard to find. I think most of these you can't get for at least a month out. And so if you have one, they're great. Again, you put it on, you loop it over your ears, and then you find an adjustment back here. What I found is that if you have this back here loose, it doesn't pull down the ears and it doesn't fall off as easily. This stuff, in terms of activity, I've got slightly floppy ears and a smaller nose than most people. So this can kind of get pulled down and slip a little bit. It does fairly well. So there's this one, okay? If you don't have one of these and you don't want to wait to get one from Amazon or eBay or whatever, there's the Bandana, okay? And show you a couple different methods when using the Bandana. Adjust the camera. Okay. Method one is what I call the bank robber method. Is you fold it in half, corner to corner, and then I think it's better overall if you do at least one fold. I'm going to do two folds. It helps give it a little bit more rigidity around the nose, which is beneficial. Okay, and then right, I've done that. I put it over my nose, bring it around, and cinch it. Okay, so that's just in one overhand, and it stays on pretty well. I would probably do a total knot here if I was actually going to go out in public with it, and that would help it stay secure. Again, if I'm moving around, jogging around, walking around the store, all that stuff, this does fairly well. Right now, this is 2 layers, right? 2 layers of protection. Okay. Let me show you a different method that actually provides 12 layers of protection. So let's bring that camera back down. Okay, so we're going to fold this differently. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to fold it in half again. Okay, smooth it out. Then I'm going to take 2 rubber bands. Some people can use hair ties. I actually find rubber bands work better than hair ties, and as somebody who doesn't have any hair, I don't have hair ties readily available. So I'm going to go in, roughly make this thing into thirds. Okay, then I'm going to take one end and fold it into the middle. Then I'm going to take another end and fold that into the middle. Okay, then dun, dun, dun. Then you pick it up. You may need to adjust it slightly. You press it to your face and then take these rubber bands and put it around your head, your ears. Okay, so you may need to adjust it so that it form fits better. Okay, now I have 12 layers of handkerchief, of bandana, covering my nose and my mouth. 12 layers, that's quite a lot. First one had 2 layers, the bank robber method. This is, you can create your own name maybe in the comments below. You can come up with a fun name for this. So this stays actually more secure than the bank robber. It also stays actually more secure than this. Depending on what you like and what you have available, use what you want. These things that are available are the carbon filters that actually are the replacement filters for these. So at some time, if I want to replace them, I can unscrew the little valves here. These are the valves. That's why there's holes in them. And I can put them in. What I can also do is put these into my bandana. So what I could do is simply take these. Let's see what's the best method here. It goes like this. Okay, and I'm just gonna slip them in there. And again, you may need to adjust these accordingly. Okay, now they're inside my bandana. So for those of you who are super leery of contaminants and feel like you need an extra filter on them, then it's in there. Again, now it goes around here. This is obviously more material. It's a little stiffer. Form fit it, and there you go. So now I have 12 layers of bandana, and I have another layer of these carbon filters. Active carbon filters. Again, I got this on Amazon. At some point I'll send a link to it. Still trying to figure out the tech of it. Anyway, I hope this helps. Again, for those of you who feel that you need an extra layer of protection or a mask, whether you actually are showing symptoms and are coughing and sneezing, or that you're just worried about somebody else sneezing and you inhaling them, there's an opportunity to make a homemade one, and it's I think a very decent alternative. In fact, it might even work better than these. These are kind of more stylish, maybe, depending on what you think, but both work really well. All right, guys, hope you stay well, hope you stay positive. Keep up the fitness, keep up the sleep, keep up the strong diet. Try to stay off the couch and as active as possible to keep that immune system high. Keep that social distancing, minimum of 6 feet, and what is recommended now is 15 feet, because if you sneeze, your sneeze can actually travel 12 feet. So be well, be safe, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe below and press the like button. This will help promote this and get more people out there being healthy and strong. All right, guys, take care. Be well.